Hey everybody, Will Curran here, and I wanted to show you one of my favorite products, the Campstream, which I just got for my R1T, and we just got done with a Arizona Rivian Club event, and I got it all set up to show everybody it, so I want to show you it at home in case you hadn't had a chance to check it out. So you'll see the Campstream basically is an AC tubing system that allows you to hook into your Rivian or your Tesla to be able to take the AC inside the truck and be able to pump it right up into your tent. In this case, I have a rooftop tent. I have the iCamper on here, but if you are, doing a ground tent, you can also use that as well. You can see basically it's a really nice system. The most common thing I hear from a lot of people when I tell them about this is, why don't I just build it on my own? You could totally do that if you wanted to, but to be honest, the build quality on this is really, really dope. So I would highly recommend checking it out. Really easy to set up, literally snaps right on in, draws the tubing on up. It also comes with insulation on the outside as well, which, in the case of when we were camping up north in northern Arizona, we really helped keep the warm air inside of it. But you'll come and check it out over here. You basically run the tubing right up inside of your tent. And I like it because you're not only able to do heating, but also do cooling as well, which is going to be great. I'm super stoked for that in the Arizona summer. So come over here onto the other side of the vehicle, and I'll show you what it looks like on the inside, which is pretty cool. So we'll open up the truck on in here, and then right on the inside, you'll basically see that it attaches into the center vents of the Rivian, and then essentially you put the truck on. You'll turn off all the vents except for the center vents, and then it funnels literally right out into the outside of the truck, which is pretty darn cool. So this is one of my favorite things that I've had a chance to explore with the Rivian. It allowed me to save a ton of money rather than buying like an external AC or diesel heater. And the way we kind of utilize it is we'll use it to cool or heat our tent for a couple minutes to get inside, feel really comfortable, get a sleep, and then throughout the night, if we need to, we can turn it back on via our phone in the Rivian app, which is pretty awesome. So that's the Campstream. If you haven't had a chance to check it out, Google Campstream, or I'll probably leave a link down below. But I hope you guys enjoy, and hopefully this is a cool product that you haven't heard of and makes your life a lot easier, and it makes your camping on those edge months like the winter and summer a little bit better. Have a good day, everybody.